This is a final video to fix Netflix error, -56, too many login attempts. Are you seeing this error when you try to sign in? This problem happens because Netflix blocks too many login attempts from your account or device at once. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today on Rexish, I will share a simple trick that works fast and easy. You don't need to change complicated settings or wait for hours. With this method, you can get back into your Netflix account quickly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do, comment below, and I'll make it for you. Follow this trick, and your Netflix login will work without stress. Stay tuned with Rexish for more easy fixes like this.